Good day. I just want to make a quick tutorial on how to doing spot trading. Basically, you can be taking profit in and out, and the good thing is when the market goes down, actually you only lose the value, but you don't have a potential of losing the whole position. Basically, um, the number of coins that you bought will remain. It's just that the value of them will go down, and obviously when the market comes up again, you still have your asset. Unlike in future trading, the way you have a possibility of basically losing your whole position and therefore your whole money. So this is a good place for beginners, and if you just want to test out your uh, technical analysis, and also if you want to engage in trading, but in obviously in a safer way where you will not be able to lose your money. So this is the new exchanger Wix, but you can basically use any exchanger, and your guide on going to spot trading is always at the bottom of your app. So you see at the bottom of my app here, I have home, then I have market, then I have futures, then I have trade. Trade is for where we do the future trading. And here basically you'll be able to look for any coin that you want to trade. This WXT is the token for the exchanger. So if you want to trade it, you can also trade it. So basically you go to the two candlestick on your far right, and this interface is mostly the same on all the exchanges. If you are aware of it, this is basically the same. You have a buy button, you have a sell button. Under here you have limit, but if you click on that arrow next to limit, you'll be able to change it to market order. So if you are doing your trading, but if you are for beginner, always use the market order, so that, and then later on you move up to limit order when you understand well your technical analysis. And then after that you have obviously the amount that you're gonna trade with, or you can move your cursor. Mine is not moving because at the moment I don't have that. I'm on the sell side. Also on the buy side, I don't have USDT available. If I had, I can do that, and then I will basically click buy. But before I click buy, obviously I must go to my my chart and see where is my market. Are the good entries or not? So if I click on the two candlestick, I can see this is obviously. So if I use my two fingers, I can pinch in and out. In and out, it will allow you to see the chart better, and then you can also change the time frames. Currently it's on 4 hours. You can change it to 1 day. Sorry, you see 1 day, then you can see, okay, this is why it's happening. Obviously we had if you can see well, we had a support there, and basically the market is currently reacting from that. Yeah, it's currently retested that, and is reacting to that, and that is what's keeping pumping the market up. So if you were in the market earlier on, and which was yesterday now when the market started out, and you saw this, you could have ended, but then you're just setting your target that, okay, by 50%, if I've gained 50% of my initial, then I'm out. Like right now, most of the people will either be targeting to take their profit currently where the market is, or at the top here. So here's another resistance, but obviously at here where the market is, there will be a little bit of retracement, and then the market might still continue to come to the top here. But so you basically just mark out your targets places, and then you go in and out. But the easiest to basically scalp is, first you look on the bigger time frame of your market direction, and currently we see that it's a buy, but then you move on to go to your lower market lower time frame, and see where you can find the entry. Like right now, you will not be able to enter this market because you might actually be entering at the top of it, because we saw already that, you see, we already saw that it has reached the top at the moment, so there might be a little bit of retracement. So we are waiting for that retracement, maybe on the 15-minute time frame, that might give us something to go in. So this one at the moment, you can see, no, we can't enter a trade here because we might actually be entering the top of the market. Then you can go basically there and look for something else. Currently I'm busy scalping BFT on this platform. Let's go to BFT. If you go to BFT, you see where the box is. I've set out my take profit there. I've ended early this morning, so I just set out my take profit there. I'm waiting for the market to retrace back to that area so that I can take my profit. So if we look on the bigger time frame, unfortunately you don't see much. Let me just cancel this one so that you see. Okay, at the moment you can see that the price is basically dancing at the same, more or less, place. You see, more or less place. So this is what the 1 hour will show you. So you must narrow in to go to the lower time frames. So the 15 minutes is, so obviously it has bottoms and tops. If you can see, I think that the lower bottom is about 0.0051, but the other guidance that you can also get from the chart here is that you see here at the top, on your top right, where it says 24-hour high. It's where the highest the market has gone to, and the 24-hour low is the lowest the market has gone to, and the volume that was traded in the last 24 hours in USDT. Okay, so now you know that those are your low and those are your highs. So you just target when the market comes back close enough to your low. Currently our low is at 56, and we see at the moment the market is getting to 57. We might as well end or just wait it a little bit to get closer to 56, and then we enter, because we know for sure there will be some buy limit there, other people that are trading, and they'll push up the market. And when we target our take profit, obviously we are not going to target the 63 that we see here. We just target a little bit lower than that, at 62 or so, because we already know other people are also targeting for that high to take their own profit. So that is what I've been doing for the past 2 days. It is rewarding for me, because I just been going in and out, take $2 here, because I know it's safe. Even if I get stuck in the trade, for example, the trade keeps going down. Even if I get stuck, I know that I'll not lose my money. My money will always come back. But when I come back to 62, maybe I can take my profit, and then I'm out, and then I wait again for the market to drop like now, and then I end again. So I'll just be scalping when the market is not so conducive at the moment with other assets. Like right now, this is the best that you can do for yourself. Avoid futures where you might lose your money. So this is the best, basically. Just what is the thing, like, let me see, scalping on spot trading, so that you can make use of that. You see, here it says the high was 112, the low is 100. So this market at the moment, you just wait for the reaction. This one is much better than BFT, obviously, but you wait on your lower time frames for structures to form, and for where you see you can be able to get in. Or you wait until, if you see that the market comes back near 100, because that was the lowest for 24 hours, there will always be a reaction on that your low. And same thing with your highs, there will always be a reaction. So once you wait for the market to come back to your, your lows or your highs, then you either go in or you take profit. currently you see, if you look nicely on your day time frame, this market has also been just on the same place, up and down, up and down. And you see at the moment it's coming from the downside, which means there will be an opportunity for you to just go in and out as you ride the wave to the top of it here. If you ride that wave, you are basically going in and out. You go on your 15-minute time frame, or even 5-minute time frame, better. And then like, if I could maybe enter somewhere here, and then I'll just wait for the market to come almost near my top here. I will not wait for the top of it. I'll wait for my top here, and then I'll take my profit. I know that the market might actually pass by, because on the higher time frame, the market is going in an uptrend, because obviously just following that pattern that has been happening in the past few days. So I'll wait for it to retrace again, and then I will enter again. So that is how I keep basically just scalping on my lower time frame, in and out, in and out. And the good thing is, you actually keep adding to your say you keep adding to that same asset. The more you buy it, the more of that asset that you have. If you basically want to keep it in one set, but you can also just take, when you take your USDT profit, you can basically buy another asset if you'd like. So yeah, that is in short. I know most of you haven't really done technical analysis, but for those that understand, I think you have an idea. If you have any other question, just let me know, and then yeah, we'll go through it again.